Hey guys, it's bridget, and I'm in another video. Today I am back, and I am going to be playing some, I don't know, I'm just going,
We're going to an ice cream shop.
yeah, we're going to go to an ice cream shop to get some ice cream. So let's, without further ado, let's go to an ice cream shop and get some ice cream. Okay, sorry guys, it says, come on into the game, the game is full. Okay, guys, I'll give. Okay. Yeah, just get back to you guys when we find a new server. Hey guys, we're gonna see if this server works. So guys, today we are gonna
Ice cream time.
Alright guys, today we are gonna go visit an ice cream shop and go get some ice cream. So let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa.
Whoa, what's this?
What? What the heck?
You should touch that.
So there's poisonous ice cream?
Apparently, you shouldn't have come here.
This is a bad idea. I'm just gonna jump over this. It's wow. What do you think they put in their ice cream?
I don't know.
I don't know why this is happening. I'm gonna jump over and see. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over and see if like there's, and I'm gonna see if there's. I'm pretty sure some poisonous ice cream just got spilled from a poisonous
We're
factory.
going to
Yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure there's just an accidentally ice cream spill with poison in it, but there's probably a
Why is there poison in the ice cream?
I don't know, but there's probably a manager in the background. Let's just tell him about the spill. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, more poisonous ice cream? Should we tell him that he's
I should not touch the ice cream.
guys? Yeah, we're not gonna touch the ice cream. It looks like we're gonna have to jump to tell the manager. What's the manager is telling the boys to make ice cream? So we have to-
Oh, hey.
Wait, is he the manager and he just found out that all his work?
So, yeah.
Guys, we have to help
Oh,
him.
we have to find a key. Oh, I found a key.
Oh,
Back here.
let's go. Okay, I got a key. Yes? Okay, well, the manager, I think, fired all of them, but we have to get through to find, like, a secret
We
code.
still have to escape.
Yeah, we still have to escape because the entrance is blocked with poisonous ice cream. Guys, I just came here for some ice cream, and then I get treated like this.
Yeah. Like hashtag bad ice
Hashtag summer fails.
cream.
Okay. Comment hashtag. Hashtag ice cream. Do you think this is this ice cream? Oh my, come on, let's go! This poisonous ice cream drinks. In case anyone tries to escape. You only escape if you eat the ice cream.
What? The ice cream is bad. It's too cold.
It's so cold in here. Oh my gosh, now the workers are trying to freeze it. The workers are trying to freeze us to death.
Do you hire these people?
Well, at the time, I don't think he knew that they were so poisonous. And they were deadly workers. Or maybe he used to be evil, but he's not anymore. You think? Hold up, guys. I need to set a timer for today's video. For 9 minutes. ice cream around the shop. No! This place is ice cream stuff. Why did this guy hire? Don't come to Billy Bob Balloon's ice cream shop. It's just okay, you coming? You bet. Sorry. Choose one. I know which one it is. Hold on. Oh, this one just.
They just kill you.
Dang it. Oh wait. It's the right one. But we have to make a. We have to make a guess.
It's not the same one. So wait, what do you
Oh, it's Mentos. Oh. We have to escape.
Princess Zoe.
Oh! Ew! Ew! Get out of here. Oh wow, what the heck? Oh, you got some shorts. I mean, oh. Big butt Chuck. That's what my mom said. Let's go. Shut up. No. Okay. Big check. Oh my god, that is a giant ice cream. Oh my gosh!
Wait for me or die.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Big butt Chuck. Let's go.
Okay, this is good. For an ice cream, this is great.
For an ice cream, this is a. It is.
There's a little. Wait, there's two capsules.
There's two pencils.
Thought I could walk over.
I'm sorry, I kind of have to rush because we only got 3 minutes of the video left. Because we have to be doing. Actually, we can do a part 2. Yeah, you just have to send it to me. So, guys, part 2 will be on Bridget's channel. I mean, it will be on my channel, but it'll be in Bridget's point of view. It'll be in Bridget's point of view.
You'll still talk.
Yeah, I'll still talk. Wait, you can have a screen recorder, but I'll still talk.
Yeah.
never mind. There will be no part 2. I got
There will be a part 2. Yes.
You can finish. We only have 1 minute 50 seconds. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button.